Rachel, and I'm really excited to share this storage cube organizer that I just bought from Songmix. I love how it's so spacious in here because I am a boot fanatic, so that, you know, obviously my boots are different heights. It also is very sturdy and durable. It holds up to 20 pounds, which is amazing. And you can build it upwards, you can build it up and across. It's very versatile and it fits any space. I was initially going to give it to my son to keep things tidy and organized, which you can see would totally benefit a 10-year-old, but I decided to keep it for myself. I'll just buy another one. They're really affordable. It comes with this hammer, which was handy to kind of pound these guys in, and I put it together in like less than 5 minutes. It was super easy and I highly recommend it.